In this one we're going to check out together how to import an XMP preset into the new Lightroom CC application. If that's something that you're interested in, please stay tuned and we'll figure it out together. If you purchased a preset by Velvet in Color, you would end up with a zip file and you have to uncompress the zip file to go ahead. So that's what we're gonna do right now. If you're using a Mac, you can just double click on it to uncompress it, like this. So now we're going to move over to Lightroom, start the application. So to import a preset, we are going to click on the first icon on the right hand side, the edit icon. Then head over to presets at the bottom. Then select the three dots in the upper right corner and press import presets. So now you have to go to the directory where you uncompressed your file, and in my case it's the desktop. So just open the folder. And as we're using a desktop computer, go to desktop, open your preset and import it. So as you can see, the preset folder is already there containing the preset, and if you want to apply this preset now, it's as easy as ever. Just select the image you want to edit and click the preset to apply to the image. Like this, or apply to this image. Yeah, and that's it for now. That's how you import a XMP preset in the new Lightroom CC. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and as always, stay tuned for more content.